Yep.
Oh, this. This, right?
Right, try one.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, that's a correct one.
Okay, that's not too bad. Next piece right there.
I need some help.
Stiff.
Some double
In
D.
the lots.
Yeah, that's
You
some
say
double D.
you have to use like 2 hands.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put one eye on the place and just push it down with one eye.
Right.
Oh, you was.
Open me wider, Villa. Can I open me wider?
Can I have a WD party? You just need some
Didn't we
WD
ran
party.
over hours the other day?
I see.
Open me wider.
Yeah, that.
Rust lock that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. That's
WD.
Mr. Michael Tuggle I wanna.
Lord, I
Okay,
hope you
nice.
could close it back.
Yeah, there you go. That's it. I get some cooking oil.
Cooking oil, something to lose in it.
Alright, so this is easy. I think we can pull this. I'm trying to run this.
I guess it's soft now.
Got it? Yep, this loose.
You know, double D,
Let
like.
me see this.
Loose
Yeah,
it.
that's right. Voila.
I'm coming with the fanciest oil bottle I've ever seen.
That's from the
Oh,
kitchen.
wow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, they're the one that
Mm.
done. This.
These.
Yeah, then that major. Alright, I've done.
Work it out a little bit.
Yeah.
You get it?
Work it, huh?
Yeah, there you go.
You getting an arm workout. You
Yeah.
should have a watch.
Yeah, man. It
Timing.
should
Yeah.
be good, man.
It's all on you now.
Yes.
That's it. As sparks fly. Ah, we got that on camera.
I'll take it.
Ah,
That's how we do
General.
it, yeah?
Raw